Hey Rach, you want to see some of my favourite organising products from the past year? Pretty much every home I've been in has a battery drawer or an area where all your batteries get thrown. A simple battery organiser can make a huge difference by not only organising the batteries that you have, but also enabling you to test the batteries to see whether they're new or should be recycled. It can also be mounted on a wall. What started as a messy battery mess can actually end up as a beautiful organised space. Great organisation makes the most out of the limited space that you have, and when it comes to powering our electronic devices, a socket shelf can really help as well. This product, which takes no professional installation, turns 2 sockets into 6 sockets, 2 USB ports, a really cute little shelf, and a surge protector. Now, you can use this in most rooms of the house. It saves you plugging and unplugging items and doesn't look too bad either. One of the more interesting products I've come across this past year is nano tape. It's remarkable because it holds just over 2 pounds of weight and it can be reused, and maybe best of all, it easily comes off a wall or flat surface without leaving any marks. You can use this for establishing a family history wall. It's also great for things like securing carpets so they don't skid, or even attaching your cell phone to the dash of your car. When it comes to storing shoes, most people just lay them out in a straight line, and that line can even go under beds or who knows where. One of the things I love about shoe space savers is that these little guys go vertical and actually take up half the amount of room that laying shoes out in a straight line do. The shoe space saver is a breeze to assemble, and then it can convert this to this without much effort. You've all seen those space saver bags that are good for duvets or heavy coats that you suck the air out of with a vacuum cleaner. This is actually a mini travel version of that. This is a little mini compressor. You attach it to the socket like this. It takes about 2 minutes to suck all the air out, and then using a USB cable, either from a socket or even from your laptop, you simply plug this in. There we go.
Gotcha. The
green light's on and it started compressing. Now this takes about 2 minutes to suck all the air out of this.
And then you want me to show them this one?
And then this.
And then it looks like that.
This is what it looks like. It takes up about half the space. Most of the homes I go into, people have videotapes, old films or that they have, but they don't want to throw out because there are so many memories on them.
Of course.
Here is the solution. You can digitise these. I actually did this with my own family films that my father took. That's me on the right.
Look at that.
And that's me on the left hogging the little toy aeroplane. Put your VHS tapes or the films into a padded envelope.
They take film as well.
Anything. This great company, Got Memories, send it back either as a DVD or a thumb drive, and what I did then, I uploaded them all and shared them with all my family.
Oh, that's so wonderful.
They are awesome. This is a really cool device that helps you to effectively double the hanging space in your closet. It expands either horizontally or vertically. You simply hang your clothes on this and it gives you another rack of hanging in your closet.
Wow.
So the best thing though I love about this is that you can drop the lower one down to this height to your kids' height, and then
they can get their own clothes.
Yes, simple, so simple.
This book is being re-released.
Yes, it certainly is. This book's being re-released. It's all about downsizing. So if any of you are downsizing your home, downsizing a parent, moving into a smaller apartment, this is the book that gives you a complete guide to how to do that. It's being released December 31st, and I'm super, super proud of it.
I love you.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
This is great, right?
Yeah, I love this.
You want me to tell them? You want to tell them?
Yeah, should I tell them or you tell them?
Tell them.
Okay, you guys, so this is new for me. You guys in our audience can all get organised because you're all getting a range clean battery organiser. You're getting, wait, and there's more. You're getting a socket shelf by a Sharper Image. Wait, a pack of six shoe space savers from the Container Store. A travel vacuum compressor from Hummiker Schlemmer. You're getting a $100 gift certificate to Got Memories, and finally a 2-tier portable adjustable closet hanger rod from Ocean Star.